From idli, vada and dosa to rasgulla and mishti doi. From hegide ammaga to kemon ache. From yenna raskala to mithunda. Good evening, fellow Toastmasters, and welcome guests. Seems like just yesterday when I left my home sweet home to come all the way to the city of joy. And the basic reason was to join two great institutes, or rather temples of learning. The first one is our big St. Xavier's College. I would rather call it a school in color dress or a jail. When I joined the college, it was ranked 1, but now it's ranked 4th. Well, for obvious reasons. When students like us join, who have been studying in co-education for 12 years, are suddenly dumped into all-boys school, where is the incentive to study, my friends? And the second best place where I reside, my den, in the courts of the principal of St. Xavier's College, is the CA Producing Factory of India. And yes, the factory's name is Poddar Chhatra Nivas, PCL. I came all the way from Bangalore just to enrich myself from the knowledge, or rather the CA hub of India, that is this Calcutta. 30th June 2010 was the time when I placed my first step into this factory. The first look was not very, I would rather say, was not very pleasing, as it is the first boys' hostel in Calcutta, established in 1935. So the infrastructure was not very good. I almost felt that I am like a newly wedded bride entering their in-laws' place. Everything new, acquaintance of no one, all the faces were like seeing them for the first time, new place, the surrounding was very different. We were initially the source of entertainment for our seniors as well as our assistant for a few months together. I wouldn't literally call it the ragging period, they term it as the introduction period, where they take our intros, give us their work, for example, writing posters or their college assignments. Initially I thought that this was very bad because when we have left our home really lonely, at that kind of a time we need someone to support us. But today when I've crossed that stage, I do understand that it is very necessary for a person to face all these things, because that is when I really felt that yes, I am bold and I can face few strangers when they kind of, not literally boss over me, but put some pressure on me, and that is how it was. That continued on for months together, somewhere till Feb, and then after that was the freshers welcome, which I never expected a hostel to have something like that, where we freshers were welcomed, and that night we had the 4 Ds, the dance, the drama, the DJ night, and of course the dinner. There were choreographers called to who taught us dance, there were costumes, there was DJ night, and we had loads and loads of fun. From there on, we declared the borders, and then we had the fun of roaming in and out of the hostel anytime. Before that, we were a bit scared, a bit scared from the seniors, because never know, as soon as they saw you free roaming around, they catch you and then give their work to you. So after that came on our enjoyment period. For that, the best part of it is there's no restriction of coming in and going out. You can go out at night, 2 o'clock, come at any time, bring in your friends, anything and everything. So from there on started the partying time, which I never did in Bangalore, because naturally there I stay in my home, my parents are there. I studied till 12th standard, so not very big also to move out late night parties. But now here, going out, having fun, movies, and driving with friends, it was really very, the best part of my life. Here is when I really understood what friends are, because there I was mostly behind my girlfriend and spent most of the times with her. Never literally understood what the importance of friends are. Now, by the time I really came into my senses, I realized that our exams are just over my head. May was my CA inter exam. Things were not very easy, not under the roof, nor outside as well. Calcutta is really very hot when compared to Bangalore. The humidity here is unbearable. Initially few months, I felt, where am I? Felt like somebody has kept me into an oven and I'm constantly being, baked or boiled. But eventually the temperature, the body gets accustomed to it, and then things were fine. And We started studying, me and all my friends, things were on and on. But what is that goal which is very easily achievable? And there was the challenge put by God on me. I was infected by chickenpox in the first week of March, and May was my exam. The entire March went off just on bed, recovering as fast as possible. April, I was back on my feet, fighting in the battlefield to get the C exam at the same time when India was fighting for their World Cup. I thought it's better to drop the exam because I was in no state. But that is when my friends came out and they changed their entire schedule of their studying just to help me. They left their studies, sat with me at nights and saw to that I finish my portion so that I give the exams. And this is where I really felt that what really the proverb friend in need is a friend indeed. The respect for them today is immense, and I really thank them a lot for that. And after that, prepared for the exams, 12, 14 hours a day we used to study. And then when I got the results, the only thing it was in my mind was, is it real? Did it really happen? It was the love of my parents, support of my friends, and the God's grace that I could clear all that. Finished the exams, got accustomed to the city of Calcutta, but still something was missing, a small piece, this last piece of the puzzle. And voila, what did I get? Kolkata Toastmasters. The last piece, the personal grooming part which was left. I had the knowledge, I had the friends, I had the love of my parents. The only thing left was Kolkata Toastmasters. Now I've got here, I feel proud that I'm here pursuing CA, BCom, and to add on CS, FRM, and the VPPR of Kolkata Toastmasters Club. Personally feeling, I would really suggest or advise every individual to step out of their home at least once in their lifetime, because this will give them the feel of how the world is, the importance for their home or their parents which they might not have realized when they were in their home. Thank you. Back to the MC.